And staying with news of Parliament, regional parties have hit back at both the BJP and Congress for the House not functioning. Smaller parties say they want the House to function so they can raise their issues. And regional parties have said their voice, however, is drowned out in the din, accusing both the Congress of holding up the House, but also the Treasury benches that they're not making an effort to ensure that the House will run. Trinamool leader Kalyan Banerjee said no one is willing to listen to us, while Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena said we are not part of a blame game.
Both for the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress Party, House is adjourned every day. House will continue only on the choice of the Congress and BJP. If Congress thinks that today House will continue, the House will continue. If the Congress thinks half an hour House will continue, the half an hour House will continue. If BJP thinks that half an hour House will continue, the House will continue. This is not proper. There are so many parties are there. Parliamentary democracy does not depend upon the Congress and the BJP. One day Congress wants to continue, the BJP is disturbing. One day BJP is trying to continue, Congress is disturbing. And we, the rest of the parties, can't speak anywhere. We can't speak. BJP ruling party, they get the preference. Congress is the main opposition, get the preference. We are not getting, we can't point out our points, our conditions of the state.
Well, joining us is Arvind Sawant, Member of Parliament from the Uddhav Thackeray faction of Shiv Sena. Sir, पार्लियामेंट नहीं चल पा रहा है, रोज हम देख रहे हैं एडजर्नमेंट्स पे एडजर्नमेंट्स हो रहे हैं. अब तृणमूल कांग्रेस बीजेपी और कांग्रेस को ब्लेम कर रही है. वो कह रहे हैं अपने इश्यूज के चक्कर में बाकी रीजनल पार्टीज का नहीं सोचा जा रहा है और देश के मुद्दे, देश के जो इम्पोर्टेंट बिल्स हैं वो पास नहीं हो पा रहे.
I do not want to be the part of this blaming game. But the fact remains that the BJP, when they were in opposition, don't forget that 2G, 3G scam. And that was hypothetically, it was revealed that it was a hypothetical one. And during that period, they did not allow to function the parliament for the entire session. That entire session was of 1 month. So all 4 weeks the parliament did not work. And during that period, the late Honorable Arun Jaitley ji has said, not to allow the parliament to function is also a democratic function. So it's a right to do that. And same thing Honorable the late Sushma Swaraj also said. So therefore, don't think that not to allow the parliament to function the parliament doesn't mean it work. It shows that there is a reaction, there is a commotion among the people on that issue. See, you are at liberty to blame someone directly on the floor of the House. The Honorable Speaker or the Chairman allows you to speak, and then you don't want to listen to the answers from the other side. That itself is not judicious functioning. And that's what is happening right now. How can we accuse the LOP that he is a Deshadohi on the floor of the parliament? Do you feel it is the way to work, it is the way to the parliament should function?
ना हम सेरोस के मुद्दे के साथ है, ना हम अडानी जी के मुद्दे के साथ है. तो मैं समझती सदन को चलना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो पूरा जो ये लोकसभा सत्र जो है विंटर सेशन है, तो मैं समझती हूँ कि हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि दोनों पक्ष के लोग इसको चलाने में पूरी निष्ठता दिखाएंगे, और हम चाहते हैं समाजवादी पार्टी की सदन चले.
Are not allowing to function. Actually, it is the ruling party. They initiate the hangama. The ruckus is created by them. It is totally unprecedented. Never the ruling party has given an adjournment motion in the past.
Let's go across to Aishwarya now for more. And Aishwarya, the regional parties now speaking out against both the BJP and the Congress, saying between these two parties, the House is not functioning. They're saying that we are suffering. There are several issues that they want to raise.
Well, since the beginning of the winter session of Parliament, we have seen that how the regional parties, specifically Trinamool Congress, Samajwadi Party, had distanced themselves from the Congress party as far as the protests are concerned. And now today it was for the very first time that the Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Kalyan Banerjee lashed out at the Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party, two major national parties, and stated that these two political parties have just stalled the entire parliament because of their own issues. The regional parties are the real sufferer of the winter session of Parliament. They want to raise their own concerns. They want to raise issues concerned to their states, but it is these two political parties who are running their own agenda, and because of that, we are witnessing adjournments after adjournments. So now, of course, the India bloc seems divided over this issue. Samajwadi Party has stated that we are not in favor of these two major issues that the BJP and Congress Party is taking forward. We want to raise the issues related to the public, and we also want funds to be released from the center, and therefore they urged the major political parties to let the House function. Now remember, yesterday Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju in fact went on to say that there are several Congress MPs, there are several Samajwadi Party MPs, Trinamool Congress MPs, DMK MPs who have approached the Lok Sabha Speaker and they want the House to be functioned, but it is their leadership who doesn't want the House to be functioned. There had been blame game which is going on, but what we are witnessing is adjournments after adjournments and Parliament getting disrupted.